am so happy to announce that we are launching Schnucks Springboard. It is our diverse-owned business accelerator. And so there will be classes and things like that in the fall, and we partnered with Mid-States Minority Supplier Development Council, and they have really helped us and will continue to help us bring the program to life.
It's one thing to be able to sell your product at a farmer's market or to your friends or to your network. It's another thing to be able to distribute your product through stores in a professionalized way. And so this type of program helps you take your business from being just a good product to then being professionalized so they can work with a corporation to be a corporate sourcing partner.
An accelerator program, these are vendors who already have products. They're already doing retail sales, and so there's business development classes, there's pitch classes, there's networking opportunities. We're just trying to help them take their businesses to the next level.
So businesses here are going to be exposed to the nuances of the grocery industry, supply chain management, branding and marketing strategies, sales tactics, how to scale your business. So this accelerator is our attempt to get all of that knowledge packaged into a consumable process that we can hopefully see some transformation in 10 weeks.
This program is specific because it doesn't just add those elements, which is generally improving their business, but also how they help them improve themselves for the things related directly to Schnucks. So how do they become not just a good business, but a business that's ready to be a professionalized consumer packaged goods business?
Schnucks is an innovator. Schnucks is taking the lead and the charge on driving wealth building outside the building for diverse suppliers that have product that can go on your shelves.
It has been just a wonderful partnership that we've developed with Mid-States, particularly been working with Daryl Johnson very closely in helping us develop this program. I definitely could not have done it without them. They have experience in the accelerator platform before, and Mid-States has definitely been the right partner for us. If you want to find out more information, you can go to schnucks.com/springboard. You can apply there, and there's also some FAQs to give you some more information as well.